Oh yeah. Just got a stack of that brown paper bag though. Maybe the reason that I'm so fly, so gone. No fiction, so nobody won't tell. Got credit my first 8 ball. I was like, yeah. Now I'm here on behalf of So Fly, So Gone, man. Now before we talk about the code, get to the issue. Now understand we been throwing money like used tissue. Lost a nigga rap to it, swear to God I miss you. Believe that dope boy shit, a man's mistral. First you go and get a team, nobody can dent you. Pay back the ties and money people have lent you. Become the best at kicking it, try and learn can do. And I don't need to get started on everything I've been through, cause money's more important. Stringing up my forces, about to jump up there and grab it, Terrell Owens. Shit look golden, so I just stole it and melted it down into a So Fly slogan. Dark omens, the hood showman, X for the men round here, just ask Logan. Whole hood frozen, boy I'm so focused until I reach the top, my nigga like Grant Oden. Beat still smoking, in the booth toasting, parasailing off of this reefer, I'm just floating. People say I shot the world, I'm just joking. Brown paper bag, so you know my thing loaded. I'm just hoping to bust you open. My niggas kill niggas round here and start gloating. Miss my nigga Boss Goon, swear to God I got you. Tax Savory draw guns on them like a cartoon. I want the great whites, go and get my harpoon. Man, I be losing myself, is you lost too? He got a floss too, what the fuck we gon' do? Kelly gave me the lease to the beat, I own you. Yeah.
Brown paper bag.